guys, what's up? I'm doing great today, and today's video is all about quarantine bedroom makeover under 1000 rupees. So can you imagine that this wall ended up costing me only 800 rupees. It is done by me and without any painter's help, without any professional help, just by me. Okay, so if you want your bedroom to look like this, continue watching. So the first things first, you need the supplies. For the supplies, you would require the roller brush, the masking tape, and the third thing is the measuring tape. The stencil I used was from Asian Paints. This stencil is called the Rich APC Stencil Kit. Okay, and the final thing that you require to do is the paint. The paint for my wall, I choose silver color because it is an exact contrast and it looks so popping to the eyes that I love it so much. And for your wall, I suggest you to choose the paint which exactly suits your wall and is a perfect contrast to your wall. Okay, so don't mess up while using the paint. The next thing is that the budget guys, I ended up spending 800 rupees on all these supplies. The stencil which I use, this Asian Paints stencil, this costs around 525 rupees, and after bargain I got it around 500 rupees. And all the extra supplies, like the roller brush, the measuring tape and the masking tape, were all around all in all in 100 rupees and not more than 100 rupees. Okay, and the next thing that I bought was the paint. The paint guys, it costed me around 200 to 250 rupees, but I ended up paying 200 rupees only. So all in all, the budget was around 800 rupees expenditure. That's it guys, no more, no one paisa above, no one paisa below. Okay, yeah, so the procedure is exactly mentioned in the video and I know that you guys would love it. And if you want your bedroom to look like this, look lit like this, so keep watching.
So guys, in this quarantine, I decided to transform the two bedrooms of my houses, one of mine and one of my parents. The results were so amazing that you will see in the end of the video. I turned this wall looking like this, has a royal regal look to it. So first things first, you just need to stencil up the wall by measuring up the wall by using a measuring tape, and then just marking the borders of the stencil by using a chalk or a marker, which can be erased later on, and just remove the stencil and there you have it, the stencil mark. So in the second bedroom, I repeated the same thing, just mark the stencil in place so that you have the stencils where you want to paint beforehand. So for painting, you need to mix the paint first and dilute it, and do not dilute it so much that the paint would eventually leak out of the stencil. So for painting, you just stick the stencil on the wall by using a masking tape or a painter's tape and just paint over the stencil in a uniform direction so that you don't mess up the paint and you don't overpaint the wall that it bleeds out of the stencil. And make sure that you don't paint outside the stencil markings, and else it would be like a mess, it would ruin entire wall. And be careful by painting the wall because it's permanent guys. Once you have done it, you cannot go back. Okay, so just keep in mind, paint the wall in a uniform direction. So here is my mom, she is helping me out while I was doing the stencil. I got eventually tired and then she helped me out with some of the work. She's so cute guys, she's so nice, so helpful, and I love her so much. For removing the stencil from the wall, you just need to peel off the tapes from the edges and just pull it out against the wall into your side gently and carefully, and voila, you have it, amazing stencil on the wall. And this was the stencil that I did at last, which completed my parents' bedroom, and I eventually got tired and exhausted, but yeah, I love it. And then me and my mom clicked a few pictures with the wall, which looks so beautiful that we both just fell in love with the walls. And this is my bedroom guys. I can't really imagine how it turned out to be, and it's really nice, and it looks so amazing, so real, so regal, and my bedroom never looked so beautiful ever before. I just love my bedroom, it looks so beautiful and it really has a professional touch to it, but I recommend you to do it yourself. You don't need to waste your money in calling a painter or doing it from any other person where you need to spend hundreds and thousands of money. You can just really do it yourself. Trust me guys, it's so easy. You just need to mark the wall with the stencil. You need to stick the stencil on the wall. You just need to paint it, and there you have it, guys. It's so easy, so nice, and it turns out to be so beautiful that you will never ever imagine that you did it yourself, and you will feel so proud of yourself, and your parents and you and your entire family would feel so happy. And doing this with your parents or with your brothers or sister, anyone at your home accompanied with you, like, it increases the bond, and eventually you guys will feel so proud. I love my bedroom so much. It's a place where I spend most of the time of my day in, and why not decorate the space you live in, right? So make your space beautiful and do it yourself.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video so much that you guys tried yourself at your home, and don't forget to hit the like button so hard that I come to know that you guys loved it. And please share this video as much as possible with your family, with your friends, with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because this channel is basically lit.